Creating an account is a very easy process with AthXcel. All you need to do is give us an email address, password, your first name, last name, and some basic demographic information so that we can tailor the experience to where you're located. A confirmation email will be sent to you with a code that will help to unlock your account. This code should arrive to you within 60 seconds. Once your account is created, you'll be given a little information about the AthXcel app. New users will go through an initial assessment that'll capture information about strength, agility, and other key metrics that are important to understand where they are now and where they want to get to. This initial assessment will feed to our training program and other aspects of our system. To make it easy on new users, most of the information within strength, agility, flexibility, and mobility are all optional. If you know it, you fill it in. If you don't, AthXcel will have you capture them later on during future workouts. Because different athletes of different sports capture different pieces of information, we allow a large option of different values you can enter. Only fill in the ones that are necessary for what you do. The flexibility and mobility section will help you self-assess yourself to determine where you need help improving your flexibility and mobility through different areas of your body and how we could help you become a better athlete. Some sports have very specific positional metrics that are worth capturing. If your sport does have that, it'll ask for it here. Enter what you can. If you don't know something, don't worry, we'll help you figure it out later on. Our goals section will allow you to tell us what you're looking to accomplish, whether you're trying to reach for the stars and become a professional, or just continue playing and enjoying recreational sports. Your goal is our top priority. We will then tailor our workouts later on based on what goals you're trying to accomplish in your life. You should think of your short-term goals as what you want to do now, within the next 12 months, and your long-term goals over the next several years. Once you've completed your assessment, we will give you a quick summary so that you can confirm everything is correct. And if it's all good, you could submit your assessment. While your assessment is processing, you could tell us what equipment you have so that we could tailor the workouts to your specific situation. Your initial assessment will take between 2 and 3 minutes to process. Once your assessment is ready, it will give you a complete report about everything that we have learned from your initial assessment, including what we see with your strength, agility, flexibility, and positional metrics. Then we will tie it together and show you where you stack up to others based on what your goals are and what you're trying to accomplish. Our development priorities section will tell you what you should be focusing on to reach it to the next level, and our short-term goals summary will actually create actionable goals that you will be working towards as you create weekly training plans in AthXcel. Once you finish reviewing your initial assessment, we'll talk to you about what AthXcel is, how it works, and how it will help you to achieve your long-term goals. The heart of the AthXcel system are our sessions, or workouts as you would call them. That goes through what you're going to do on each day. Some of them will be generated by our system, and you could also create some yourself. You could even have your coaches collaborate. Tracking all your information is key, because each training plan is built on what you did previously, and that'll lead to future assessments to see how much have you improved since the beginning, are you hitting your goals, and what do you need to do long term to achieve what you dream of. Now that you know more about AthXcel, let's go create your first training plan. Creating a training plan is very simple. You start by selecting, over the next week, what days you're available. You could also specify how much time you have each day to work out. You could put in what you have as upcoming athletic events or anything else that could impact your workout. AthXcel lets you select what goals you are looking to focus on over the next week. You could select 1, 2, or all of them. You can even select other and put in another goal. Maybe you're trying to get ready for the summer and you want to work on your beach body. It'll give you more core exercises then. AthXcel will take into account any medical issues you may have. Do you have a sore spot in your body? Are you recovering from a major injury? Are you just feeling under the weather? Let us know, and the training plans will account for that. Training plans take a few minutes to process, and when they're done, the system will let you know it's ready. The training plans will give you very detailed information on what to do each day. It'll create blocks with activities. Each activity will tell you exactly what to do, how much to do it for, what weights to use, and any other details necessary. If you like the training plan, hit accept. The system will then create sessions inside of our app so that when it's time, you can see exactly what to do on that day and capture any metrics and give us an assessment of how you did. Now it's time to start training. Let's select today's activities to work on. The system will show you exactly what you're supposed to be doing today. From here, you can see all the activities that the training plan created. You could also enter any metrics that you capture so that you keep track of your progress. Here, we're going to put in exit velocity. You can also add videos, images, or files that may be captured from any kind of recording devices to your workouts. When you complete a workout, we ask you to enter a self-assessment. You put in the perceived difficulty, intensity, and your overall performance on a scale of 1 to 10 for each workout. Sometimes you just want to do a workout that's not part of your regular training program, like going to a batting cage, maybe going for a swim, or anything else. Our AI system will give you the chance to build any type of workout you want whenever you want. Just put in what the goal is you're looking to achieve, what you want to do in this session, how long you have, and any other information you want to provide that it could use to build out the perfect training program for you. Once you finish reviewing the workout created, you could choose to accept it and it'll add it to your sessions so that you can see it on your calendar, put in the results, any metrics or videos you have, and be able to track it for future use. One really exciting feature of AthXcel is the ability for us to take any video and be able to do an analysis on that based on what kind of activity you're doing and what you're trying to achieve. All you need to do in the system is pick a video that you have done, preferably something of 15 seconds or less, upload it to our system, and then allow our analytics engine to look at that, and it'll give you immediate feedback on how you can improve yourself. You can even ask our engine questions specifically about the video, such as, how could I increase my exit velocity? Our analysis will both tell you strengths and weaknesses that we see from your workout and ways that you can improve yourself. Here at AthXcel, using cutting-edge technology will allow you to improve your training and reach that next level.